All right, we got racer number 1. What's your name?
My name is Discord Dottie 6.7, baby.
What's your race number?
Race number? What do you think? 6.7, baby.
What bike are you on?
What do you think? A 6.7, boy.
Got
Look at
racer
this
number
boy.
2. What's your name? Does that scare you?
Run it.
What's your race number?
I'm driving today.
What are you riding?
6'9", special, Sonny. This thing will knock your dick so far in the dirt, it'll come right out your asshole.
What's your race number?
69, of course. Like I'm gonna put my dick in his mouth while he eat my butt.
Dude, hell, oh my God, no way.
Run it, baby.
Y'all started at the same time. We got Discord Kitten going to pass him.
Have any idea how fast I really am? I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Oh, Discord Kitten in the lead.
I took the outside one goddamn time. Jimmy Neutron looking. I had him for the first 2 laps.
Yeah, baby.
How do you feel?
How do I feel? Blue collar as fuck.
How do you feel?
Shame, but I'm proud of 67 being here. Very happy for him.
You're proud of Discord Kitten?
Yeah. Like,
Let me rub that head and get a wish out.
yo.
No, what is wrong with Jimmy Neutron?
Give a firm handshake.
God damn it, Bobby.
You see something?
God damn it, Bobby. You did a good job, Bobby.
Yeah, I'm proud of you, buddy.
I can't see, Bobby. Oh yeah, asshole up in his face.
Somebody smell like shit.
Oh yeah. Asshole. Asshole. Oh!
You got it, Bobby.
Good job, brother.